This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable media auto download on WhatsApp. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to WhatsApp here. I have WhatsApp opened up now. To enable or disable media auto downloads on WhatsApp, you want to go off to the lower left-hand corner, down to your little profile icon. You want to click on that. Then you want to go up to where it says Chats and click on Chats. And then right up here, Media Auto Download. You want to click on Media Auto Download. And then it gives you 4 different choices here: photos, audio, video, documents. It says voice messages are always automatically downloaded for the best communication experience. But up here, you can adjust this. By default, everything is probably enabled, as you see mine is. But say I didn't want photos to be automatically downloaded, I would toggle that off. Say I didn't want videos to be automatically downloaded, I would toggle that off. You would just make your selections there. That is how to enable or disable media auto download on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.